I've been wanting to see you. Namiss kita. Ayoko lang na babalik na naman tayo sa usapan na nakakasakit sa isa't isa. I mean, how did we become these angry people? Hindi naman tayo ganun.
Ellie, I meant it when I said, I love you still. I meant it every time I said I love you. Tayo pa. I just hated that. For me, saying I love you has become a question. I love you is a question. Lagi ako naghihintay ng sagot. And lagi akong takot sa sagot. Gaano mo ba ako kamahal? Like, paano yun? Mahal mo ako ngayon, tapos biglang hindi na?